Hey everyone, in this video we'll see, this is the first video of this fast API tutorial series. Already we completed the introduction in the previous video, so learn, we'll do the practical implementation how to do this. Okay, so first step is like I'll show you how to create the virtual environment. Then I'll show you like how to install the packages and dependencies related to fast API. Then we'll take this snippet and we'll show you like how you have to run that script and how to see the response and all those things. I'll try in a live way. Let's see how it goes. So first step is like you can open any IDE. So it might be Visual Studio Code or it might be PyCharm or anything. So I created one folder. First you have to open that particular folder. So this is in my PyCharm projects. First step, let's take this. This is a empty folder. It doesn't have anything. So our first step is like to create the virtual environment, right? So you have to click on terminal. You have to click on new terminal. Okay. So you will get something like this. You can choose command prompt. Okay. Then the steps are very simple. Python hyphen m venv, this is the command, and after that you have to put anything. So I'm putting currently dot venv. This is the syntax. You can consider python hyphen m venv. After that, your name of that virtual environment, you have to mention dot, and after that you can name it anything. Like here I'm naming venv. You can name it as dot deep or dot anything. Okay, so once you created this, and you have to click on enter, and you can see this the virtual environment is created in your respective folder. Then what you have to do, you have to activate that virtual environment. What is the purpose of virtual environment? See, let's say you want to create multiple projects, and each project has certain dependencies. Let's say you installed all the packages in a normal path, see users and your directory. Then it will store in the system space in this entire laptop or mission space. Then you can't go for the another versions. Let's say you install pandas 2.3 in this current project. Let's say after 6 months you want to install pandas latest version like 2.9. Then obviously you can't do that step. In case if you do that, there is a chance of dependency issues and all those things will come. So that's why we create some space in each folder. That is nothing but virtual environment. So whatever dependencies are there with versions and everything will be stored in that particular space. So then you won't face any difficulties. So that's why we are going in this manner. So this is the step, and after that you have to do cd dot venv slash scripts. Okay, cd scripts, then activate. See, you can see this, you got this space, right? You got this thing, so that means you are whatever script you are doing now, currently it is in this virtual environment. Okay, then you have to put cd dot dot, because you have to come out of this path, right? So that's it. So your virtual environment is created, and you can install your dependencies and packages like this. You can put cls, then it will remove all the above steps. Okay, so in this way you can create the virtual environment that is there. Next step is what, like we have to install certain dependencies, right? So you need fast API, you need Uvicorn. So those are the two packages you need from Python side in order to run the fast API application. Okay, so I'll show you the commands. So this is the command, like pip install fast API Uvicorn. Uvicorn is nothing but a server. Okay, so Uvicorn is a server and fast API is a framework. So in order to run your application, you need that server, right? So here Uvicorn will do that part. So you have to give this command. You can give one by one also. Pip install fast API. Then fast API will implement. Then if you give some space and if you give other package, then all the things are implemented on a single go. The best approach is you have to create one requirement.txt and you have to put there, and there is one command like pip hyphen or requirement.txt, pip install hyphen or requirement.txt. That is a step, but for time being, I'm just implemented like this. Yeah, so let's create one script. Let's make it as main, or otherwise we can make it as tutorial one, tutorial underscore one dot py. Okay, this is the one. Then we'll copy the script which is already there in the official website. This, copy this, uh, come back to the IDE, paste it here, save this. Now we have to run this. What is the command to run this? This is the command, Uvicorn. This main is nothing but your file name. Okay, so the syntax is this: Uvicorn, your file name, hyphen app is nothing but we created one instance there, right? We created this FastAPI instance in the name of app. That's why we given it as a app. And I'll show you like what is this and everything. I'll tell you. First, I want to run this one. Okay. Okay, so in the main you have to replace that with your actual file name. That is nothing but tutorial dot. You have to give tutorial, whatever your file name. You don't need to give any extension there. Then app hyphen reload. Right. Let's check this once again. Yeah, hyphen reload. Let's run this. See, it was running. It'll give you one link. Okay, it'll give you one link. Once you run this thing, so you'll get one link. You have to check this one. So where you going to check this? You have to check on the browser only, right? You can click on this, then it will show you, right? See, message hello world. Why it was displaying message hello world? Because this is what we written there. Currently we created one get request. It's nothing but just a slash. We're just using that by default. We'll discuss all the things in the next tutorials, but just for a beginning introduction, I'm just showing like you have to install that fast API. After installing that, you have to initiate that, like you have to take that so object, and after that you have to create one so your method, http method, and you can give the path. This is nothing but the path. You can give anything, like let's say you open one Flipkart website or Amazon website, then you can see, right, Amazon dot slash home or slash products or something like that. This is what that path means. I'll explain all these things in the next tutorials, but just for the beginning understanding. So this is the way you can create this. You can create some method. You can name it anything. You can name it as root or whatever you want to do, and you can return whatever message is there. It will reflect there. Instead of hello world, I'll just name it as hello Perumal. If you save this, it will automatically reload. So that is the step we given there. So even though we made some changes, you don't need to run it again. So it was already in the reload mode. You can see this. Then if you go back to this, you have to just refresh this. You can see this hello Perumal. The message is changed. So you can, in this way you can do anything, like let's say, so overall assumption is when someone you created one API with the link. So it will give you that link. When you click on some path or something like that slash or something, then it will display whatever method response is there. These things you will understand once you start some practical implementation. Just I'm showing like how to install fast API, how to install the dependencies, how to make the things work. So the major agenda of this video is this. So instead of message or hello world or something, uh, so let's say, hey, how you doing? So all these things you can do. Maybe you can uh, create some fast API application. You can share it with someone, so with all the messages or something that you can do. We'll see all those things. Yeah, so this is how, once you refresh it, you'll see this. There is one more fantastic feature about fast API is like Swagger UI. So once you once you have this, you can do slash docs. You will get a UI. Okay, so it's nothing but fast API Swagger UI. So you can see this. Let's say you created one fast API application that has multiple requests. HTTP requests, like get request or the post requests, everything is there. So now currently in our script we have only one function. That's why it was reflecting only one method here in the UI. In case we have multiple methods, it will reflect all these things. In order to test it, so you can see it's a get request, right? It's not taking any content from you, just displaying whatever there in that. So that's why it was displaying like this. And you can click on try it out. Whenever you click on execute, then that will run and it will display the results, like, hey, how you doing, whatever message we written there, right? So that it was displaying. And this is the headers. We'll see all the things on the longo. So this is nothing but status code. Every HTTP request has some status code. 200 means successful, 400 404 means error. So these things are there. We'll understand all these things on the next tutorials. But I hope you got the clarity, like how to run this and how to check the Swagger UI, and how to see the response. Let's say we change this to, hey, how you doing, to mm, let's say I love you. Okay, control S, and it's running again. It's done. You can go back here, and again you have to click on uh, try it out. You have to click on execute. It will see, this is what it's displaying, right? So in this way you can create some applications. Nothing but this is the first step. Okay, so how to run the FastAPI application, how to display all these things, how to check the messages or something. So what is Swagger UI? I thought to cover all those things. So this is the official website, you can explore that as well. And you can go on through this content in case if you want more explanation. We'll see all these stuffs in the next tutorials. Yeah, I hope you got clarity. Okay, so yeah, that's it from my end. We'll see in the next tutorials. Thank you.